everybody? Welcome back. Some people have been asking a while ago for a house tour, 2024 house tour. Here you go. So this is just going to be completely random and random stuff that I talk about. So I put up this little curtain here my friend made me with some EMT straps right there hanging up for the rod to block out all the light that comes through. Usually when you're watching movies on the couch down there, freaking the light just is right in your face. So got that blocked off. Roommate got some little pictures on the wall, paintings, all that good stuff. I found that on top of a gas station. So his old car used to be named Sonic, so I got him that. So that's where you put it. There's his room in there. I won't go in there, but he left the door open, so I figured we'd make a video. Here's the bathroom that he uses, nice and clean. Good job, I appreciate that. So there's the bathroom. Did switch out that switch right there for the fan timer. I added that. That's one thing that I added. Got the tool room right here. Some people think this is in my garage, but it's actually in my house, the second spare bedroom. So there is the tool room. Very unclean right now. It was pretty clean, but now it's not. So I just got a bunch of stuff in here. Here is the current status of the tool room. All the newest tools up here, and also still got some on the ground. Haven't hung up my 165s yet. Yeah, just a little bit of everything. New Jonard tool stuff, appreciate that. Some new house filters for the for the furnace right here. So there's an old one. Alright, the focus keeps going in and out. I think the lens is greasy. You got the laundry room right here. Nothing special. Do have just a closet in there with some towels and stuff. No big deal. With the soap up there. Got the kitchen in here. Kind of clean right now. Usually it's a little bit cleaner, but I got the toaster out and some rice and stuff and an extra pan out. And I was about to get some milk and have some Oreos, so there's the kitchen right there. I did get a new table, if you guys remember. I really had an old table, so new table, new chairs. Terry's chairs right there, my roommate's chairs. Got my two stools right here. Got the fridge right here, plastered with all my friends and stuff. Kind of roommate stuff on this side, all his stuff on this side. All my stuff is this side. Don't really need a fridge tour. I don't think that's really important. Got a new or old picture that I took out of my bedroom for the C8 Corvette. So I got that right there. Got my old Corvette right there. That's not a picture of mine. That's Street Speed 717's Corvette that he gave away or something like that. I can't remember, or he just sold it. But anyways, got my TV, two of my broken bent rims from my old Corvette. And then I got some gaming systems down here, 65-inch TV, love seat, two recliners, two little tables right here with a rug, another rug over there. So that's pretty much these rooms. We'll go back down out into the garage. This is my little sitting stool right here. It does open up. There's some more storage in there, just with some books and random stuff. Here's my shoes. Got the New Balance, of course. Church shoes, work boots. Those are my spare work boots, my old work boots that kind of have a crack in them. So I got my new work boots in the car because I switched my shoes at work. Got the tool wall out here. Got the Corvette, and then me and my roommate's stuff just kind of piled up on the left side a little bit. All that good stuff. Just trash on the left side. Need to clean that up a little bit, but really know where to put it. Need to get rid of some stuff, but that's that. I did change out the lights in here, as you know. These used to be in the bedrooms. Switched out these booby lights and added this 2x4, 1x4 right there for some better lighting for the work wall over there. And with that being said, I switched out this light to the 1x4 as well. In this room, and there's the same ones from the garage, which I took out from my bedroom and the living room because I switched this out to a ceiling fan and switched this out to a 2-gang from a 1-gang. Added the second switch for the fan. This focus is really trashy today for some reason. And then moving on to my bedroom, 100% real. Not cleaned this up for the video, so this is what my bed usually looks like. Just halfway made. Usually laying on the ground, I just throw it on top of me when I go to sleep. There's my Otter Audi right there. Got some hats, chargers, watch charger, GoPro chargers, all that good stuff. Got my TV right there when I want to watch TV in bed. Got my journeyman or apprenticeship license certificate right there, because that's more important than a college degree to me. And then I got my Disneyland picture there from a kid, Disneyland cutout silhouette, Captain Carter. And then Steven gave me this, and that is the Stegosaurus. Got an otter painting right here from a real freaking otter. And then just some random stuff on the wall right here, my old license plates, stickers, Pokemon cards, all that good stuff. Some Corvette, Hot Wheels and stuff. This is pretty much a mess. Got some water bottles there. And then some gaming stuff down here needs to get cleaned up. That's pretty much that. Got some random tools there. Random tools over here. Some hats back here. Another Captain Carter. That was a free one, so. Got my laptop on the ground because whoever gave me that was useless. Just kidding, that's a joke. Appreciate that. My friend gave me that from Delaware. Great computer for free. Love that. Got a foam roller over here. And then once again, brutally honest, got my hamper right there. My mom cleaned this up because she was over here yesterday. But I usually have a whole pile of clothes on the floor. So when I clean my clothes, I just dump them on the floor. So I know where all the clothes that I want to wear are. Because my mom hangs up my clothes and then I have to find my clothes, and it's just a whole ordeal, and I hate that. Need to put away my shaving stuff for trimming my beard. I usually just leave it there, but it belongs down here. Sink is a little bit dirty from brushing my teeth. Got another TV right there, the 5th number TV, my old TV from playing Halo. So yeah, I got the double sinks, the TV, clothes dresser right there. Got the shower right here, toilet, and yeah, all the clothes that are hung up right there. And some extra toilet paper and some art pictures that I made in middle school right there. Paper mache I made in middle school, all from the same class. Or no, that was high school. That was middle school. This one was middle school. So there you have it. There's my house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. There's my underwear. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But there's my 2024 house tour. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. God bless. Peace. Also did forget to mention that I added this ceiling fan. So that's the second ceiling fan. One of these used to be in my old bedroom from my parents' house. These are my mom's old ceiling fans. Took these from her house and she got new ones. So I took these old ones. And then also I did the, changed this out to a double gang as well. Added the ceiling fan switch and turned this into a 3-way and added this switch right here. So now I can do 3-way if I'm going to be brushing my teeth for 30 minutes. Then there you have it. So those are the last few things I added. And then I got all my birds up here that my friend made me. And a starfish. So thank you for that. I appreciate that. All right, that's it, guys. Peace. All right, I lied. The hallway picture right here. And then the hallway closet right here. A couple vacuums, some chairs, vacuum accessories.